Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G34 and let me share with you how to switch the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we will have to scroll to find the gestures section. Now let's tap on system navigation, and obviously you will have the 3 button navigation, so I just wanted to show you that here you can customize it. Only hold home for assistant option is available, but that's okay. And all we have to do to set the gestures is to tap on this option. You can enter the settings here also, so you can basically decide whether you want to set the back sensitivity to be lower or higher. I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you really need to change this back sensitivity. You can show or hide this navigation bar, so this line at the bottom. It's up to you. I prefer to have it hidden. Alright, so a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, just swipe your finger from the side to the center, like that, and if you can see the arrow, just release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And as you can see, here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.